You've been fed the same tired line your whole life. Save your pennies, buy some stocks, and if you're lucky, you can retire in 40 years. Let's be brutally honest over here. That advice is a fossil. For our parents, buying a house and dumping money into the S&P 500 was a golden ticket. For us, while the stock market has its good years, it can feel like taking the scenic route to wealth, while the cost of literally everything else is taking a rocket ship to the moon. That slow burn strategy feels like trying to win a drag race on a tricycle. But what if I told you there's a different playbook? One that a small circle of savvy young investors and the ultra-rich have been using for decades to build wealth that actually changes your life, not just your retirement plan. So, if you're done with advice that feels like it was written in the 1980s, pay attention, because I'm about to show you 3 assets you can invest in right now that have the potential to lap the stock market. And the last one? It's the most powerful investment you will ever make. Number 1. The startup bet. First up, let's talk about getting in on the ground floor with an asset the rich have monopolized for generations: private equity. These investments often provide access to unique opportunities and companies that are not available through traditional stock markets, which can lead to substantial growth in portfolio value. Think about it. By the time a company like Uber hits the stock market, the real money has already been made by the insiders who got in early. For years, you were locked out, needing a 7-figure bank account to even get a seat at the table. Well, the game is changing. Now, there are platforms that let you play angel investor, even if you're not a millionaire. You can sift through startups, find the ones you actually believe in, and invest directly. Now, let's be real. This is the big leagues of risk. Most startups crash and burn. But the ones that hit, the upside can be astronomical. It can launch you to the moon. You're not just trading stocks of companies that are already giants. You're betting on the future before the rest of the world has even woken up to it. You're becoming an owner of innovation, not just a consumer. Number 2, tangible assets. Alright, so maybe betting on the next tech unicorn feels a bit too much like high-stakes poker. If you want to invest in something you can actually see and touch, let's talk about alternative assets. Tangible things like collectible sneakers, fine art, and even vintage Pokemon cards. This might sound absolutely insane to your grandpa, which is precisely why you should be listening. These markets aren't chained to Wall Street's daily drama. When the stock market has a meltdown, the value of a Banksy or some fine collectible sneakers doesn't automatically nosedive with it. That's the power of an uncorrelated asset. It adds a layer of diversification your stock and bond portfolio can only dream of. And just like with startups, you no longer need a mansion with a vault to get in. Fractional ownership platforms let you buy a slice of a multi-million-dollar painting for less than the cost of a video game. You get the potential for appreciation without having to hire a security guard. Just be smart and read the fine print, because fees are always a thing. Number 3, real estate. Okay, maybe high-risk startup bets give you heartburn. Let's get our feet on solid ground. Literally. For decades, real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth, but the idea of saving a 20% down payment for a single house feels impossible for many. Forget that old model. The new way to be a landlord is digital and fractional. You can now invest in real estate through platforms offering private real estate investment trusts or through real estate crowdfunding. Instead of buying one whole house, you can buy a small slice of a massive apartment complex, a commercial building, or a portfolio of rental homes. You get the benefits, potential appreciation, and passive income from rent without having to fix a leaky toilet at 2 a.m. This approach makes real estate accessible, with some platforms allowing you to start with as little as $100, 0 cents. It provides powerful diversification for your portfolio because real estate performance isn't always tied to the daily swings of the stock market. Number 4, the ultimate investment, you. We've covered investing in tomorrow's titans and tangible trophies. Both are smart plays to get ahead. But the single greatest investment you can make in your 20s isn't on some app or exclusive platform. It's the one asset you have 100% control over with a truly uncapped upside. That asset is you. Investing in your own skills, your knowledge, and your own business is the ultimate wealth cheat code. Do the math. A 10% return on a $1,000 0-cent stock investment is $100. Cool, that might buy you a nice dinner. But what if you spent that same $1,000 on a certification in a high-income skill like coding, sales, or AI automation? That one move could boost your salary by $10K, $20K, or even $50K. The potential ROI isn't just a few percent, it's a few thousand% year after year. It's not even a fair fight. Or even better, start your own freaking business. A weekend power washing service, a social media agency, an Etsy store. You're not just earning a side income, you're building a cash-flowing asset from scratch. That's a power no market crash or recession can ever strip away from you. Your greatest tool for building wealth isn't in your brokerage account. It's between your ears. So which of these methods will you try out first? Comment below and do let me know if you found this information helpful. Watch more game-changing videos on becoming a billionaire and hit subscribe to fuel your journey with elite-level strategies to attract unstoppable wealth. Like and share this content with your friends and family.